G'day guys, today I'm super excited to walk you through this beautiful 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom home that we recently picked up for one of our clients. Now, we picked up this place for under $860,000. We estimate the value to be over $1.1 million, not even a year later at the moment. It's an incredible home. I'm super excited to show you through and sort of at the end of the video talk through some of the stats and some of the numbers, as well as some of the goals that the client had for this property. When our client came to us in relation to this property, they were looking for a blue chip, high quality beachside location on a big piece of land with a quality, tenant ready, low maintenance home. Now, some of the things that I love about this suburb, outside the fact that we're surrounded by mums and dads that want to live there, is the average household incomes. They are extremely high in the area. In this suburb, they're almost sitting at that 75K to 100 grand a year mark, and they're heading in that sort of direction. What I love about the area is that only around 20 to 25% of the people that live here are renters, which means the mums and dads living next door that are earning the great incomes will slowly over time knock down, rebuild and renovate their properties. Now, this particular part of Brisbane has massively underperformed in the last 10 years. If we look back at the 20-year history, it's done more than 8% per annum. If you look at the 50-year history, it's done more than 9.5% a year. But over the last 10 years, these suburbs have done 3, maybe 4% per year max. Now, if we go back to the Jeremy Shepherd from DSR data, suburbs that have underperformed in the first half of the cycle, whether it's in a state or a capital city, generally have a better performance in the second half. So super excited about this one. It's getting an extremely strong rent return. Rents are expected in Brisbane to go up by another $100 a week this year, which is insane right now. Wages are going up, infrastructure's coming in, and we have the 2032 Olympics. Hope you've enjoyed this walkthrough today.
Woo! That's a wrap.
That's a wrap.
Getting cool, bro. Yeah.
Oh, sweaty. So sweaty. Oh, that's good. That's so nice. Oh.